an important question. Integration of 2x plus 5 square root of 10 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. Now what we are going to do it, we will be writing, let 2x plus 5 is equal to capital A with d by dx of 10 minus 4x minus 3x square plus b. Now this becomes 2x plus 5 is equal to A with minus 4 minus 6x plus b. Minus 6a is equal to 2, minus 6a is equal to 2, and minus 4a plus b is equal to 5. Now solving, a is equal to minus 1 by 3 and b is equal to 11 by 3. A and B. Okay. Now what the question becomes? We are having now 2x plus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 4 minus 6x plus 11 by 3. Now integration of minus 1 by 3 minus 4 minus 6x plus 11 by 3 is one term in case of this one. Then square root of 10 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. Is it clear? Now here we are splitting it, we will be getting minus 1 by 3 integration of minus 4 minus 6x. Leave this as it is. Don't try to take minus outside from here and making this as a positive, because then it will waste a lot of time to solve a question. Now it becomes 10 minus 4x minus 3x square dx, one thing, plus 11 upon 3 integration of square root of 10 minus 4x minus 3 times x square dx. Minus 1 by 3 I1 plus 11 by 3 I2. Now I1 is equal to integration of minus 4 minus 6x 10 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. Now let 10 minus 4x minus 3x square is equal to t, differentiating minus 4 minus 6x dx is equal to dt. So we are having now this one as square root of t dt, and this implies I1 is equal to 2 by 3 t raised to power 3 by 2 plus C1. So I1 is equal to 2 by 3 10 minus 4x minus 3x square with power 3 by 2 plus C1. So we got one of the integral. Now solving I2. I2 is equal to square root of 10 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. 10 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. Now integration of root 3 common minus 1 with x square plus 4 upon 3x minus 10 upon 3 dx. I2 is equal to root 3 integration of square root of minus 1 x square plus 4 upon 3x. Now making it a perfect square, adding half coefficient of x, that is 2 upon 3 whole square plus 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9 minus 10 upon 3 dx. Root 3 integration of minus 1 x plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 34 upon 9 dx. And this can be written as now root 3 integration of square root of 34 upon 3 whole square minus x plus 2 upon 3 whole square dx. Now let x plus 2 upon 3 is equal to z. Differentiating with respect to x, dx is equal to dz. I2 is equal to root 3 34 upon square root of 34 upon 3 whole square minus z square dz. Z square dz. Now this becomes under root 3 z under the root 34 upon 3 whole square minus z square upon 2 plus a square root 34 upon 3 whole square a square upon 2 sine inverse z upon a. And a is 34 upon 3 plus C2. I2 is equal to root 3 by 2 x plus 2 by 3 34 plus 9 minus x plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 34 by 9 plus 34 by 9 sine inverse x plus 2 by 3 upon under root 34 upon 3 plus C2. Now let's put the final value. Now we were having minus 1 by 3 I1 minus 1 by 3 I1 plus 11 by 3 I2. Now this is equal to minus 1 by 3 I1. I1 is minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 10 minus 4x minus 3x square raised to power 3 by 2 plus I1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 C1 plus 11 by 3 into root 3 by 2 x plus 2 by 3 with under the root 34 by 9 minus x plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 34 by 9 sine inverse 3x plus 2 upon under root 34 plus 11 upon 3 C2. Now final answer. Minus 2 by 9 10 minus 4x minus 3x square raised to power 3 by 2 plus 11 root 3 by 6 x plus 2 34 by 9 minus x plus 2 upon 3 whole square plus now this term multiplied by 34 by 9. So we are having now 11 by 3 and 34 11 by 3 into root 3 by 2 into 34 by 9. So 2 cancels with 34. So what we are having 187 upon 27 root 3 sine inverse 3x plus 2 upon under root 34 plus c, and c is equal to minus 1 by 3 c1 plus 11 by 3 c2. Answer.